ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு தெரியும்.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா சார்? ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா சார்?
ரெண்டு டாக். முத்துநகை.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே, ஐ ஆம் ரெடியா. ரெடி அம்மா. நமஸ்தே அம்மா.
Namaste, Dr. L. Mahadevan sir. Good evening to all the audience of I Ask Ayush. Dr. L. Mahadevan sir completed BAMS from Chennai Venkatramana Ayurveda College in 1993, completed post-graduation MD Kaya Chikitsa from Government Ayurveda College Trivandrum in 1997 and completed PhD from Manonmaniam Sundaranar University, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu in 2020. Dr. L. Mahadevan sir is an Deva Iyer. He is a born intelligent academician, a great orator, a clinician, a humanitarian, a writer, and a guru, to mention a few. He has trained more than 1,000 students in his Gurukulam and influenced more than 2,000 students all over India and abroad. He has published 72 books on Ayurveda and Siddha. His work on clinical medicine series, Vasti, Ayurveda for Beginners, Panchakarma Question and Answers are very popular. He is working on a monumental manual called Clinical Science in Ayurveda, which will be released soon. He is a recipient of multiple distinguished awards. Today, he is going to talk on the topic mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is also called black fungus. It is a devastating invasive fungal infection with high mortality rate even after active management. Recently, Indian government on Thursday asked all states to declare this mucormycosis as an epidemic amid growing reports of the illness. Today, we are honored to have Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, who will enlighten us on the Ayurvedic perspective and intervention on mucormycosis. Sir, I request you to take the stage.
Thank you, Dr. Muthunagai, my beloved student. We are, as per the schedule, we have 2 sessions today. The first session is on Sahasrayogam, continuity, because we want to continue that. The second session is on the black fungus. So we will start with the first session and then continue with the black fungus issue. Suju. In the last class, we have discussed about Sahasrayogam, various traditions of Kerala, various textbooks written on wide range of topics like Dharakalpam and some unique texts like Sarvaroga Chikitsa Ratnam. So today we are continuing the topic. Sahasrayogam class series is a very, very long series. Already I told you some books, there are only 760 yogas. In some books, we have 1,200 yogas. Sahasram is large, a big number. So we are talking on the basis of systems. It is not mentioned in the textbook. We have compiled these things for our technical convenience. So in the Vata Vyadhi, we have studied two Kashayas, Sakajaradi and Ashtavarga. Today we are going to start with Gandharvasthadi Kashayam. Gandharvasthadi Kashayam is a very famous Kashayam. It is called Patik Kashayam because during Panchakarma procedures for Vadanulomanam, Gandharvasthadi is given after the procedure is over. In our hospital also, we regularly give that. Most of these Kashayas are Vada Kafakara in nature. In this Vada Vyadhi, what we are going to talk. Rasna Saptakam, Rasna Panchakam, Sukumaram, Varunadi, Chiravilvadi, Gandharvasthadi, Saptasaram, Maharasnadi. They are all Vada Kafakara in nature. I already told you, Vada Kafam is a very unique combination of Avarana. Avaranaha Sangaha, Avaranaha Samsargaha, Avaranaha Vimargagamanam Chedi. Where the Anulomana Gadi of Vayu is affected. Many people think and explain the downward movement of Vayu, which is useful in the expulsion of fecal matter, is called Anulomana by quoting Anulomanam, Sramsanam, Vedanam, Rejanam of Sarangadhara Samhita. Anulomanam takes 12 hours, Sramsanam 8 hours, Vedanam 6 hours, Rejanam 4 hours to produce the mode of action. If you take Haridagi, 15 grams, 1 karsham, 12.5 to 15. Night if you take with hot water, again Haridagi is Vada Kafagaram in nature. Lashunam is Vada Kafagaram in nature. All these Avaranagana Ushadas. Morning, one time evacuation will happen. So they work on the site of GI tract, Anulomanam, a large intestine, half of small intestine, full small intestine, whole GI tract. That is a logic behind this classification. So Anulomanam is not only downward movement of Vayu for the expulsion of fecal matter, Tamuswasa Niswasa Utsaga Praspandana Indriya Padava Vega Pravartanadivihi is equal to Anulomanam. Anulomanam denotes the Prakrita Vayu karma, and Apana Anulomanam helps in attaining that goal. Vadam is Shidam, Kafam is Shidam, so Ushnam, medicines are Ushnam in nature. When Vada is aggravated in the Shaka, the protocol is different. When Vada is aggravated in the Koshta, the protocol is different. First you give Lavana, then Amla, then Madura. Bhaskara Lavanam, Vaishwanara Churnam, Hingavajadi, Trigaduni, Chardulam, Narajam, all contains Lavana, followed by Prasanna, Kadambari, Takram, Dadima, Swarasam. Then Kshira Shatpalagradam comes in the end. So Lavanam, Amlam, Maduram. But if it is in the Shaga, in Kafanavanda Samayotan Prayogena Sugamva Koshtamanayed. Tikta Kadurasam Rasna, like medicines are given in the Madhyama Roga Marga. Pakshagadam is a Madhyama Roga Margam, Rogi, Rogam. Pakshagade Virejanam is told. So, Gandharvastadi Svada Kafagaram Anulomana Visheshatvam. Chiravilvadi Svada Kafagaram Arsho Visesh Sushka Arshas Visheshatvam. Saptasaram is Vada Kafagaram Yoni Visheshatvam. Varunadi is Vada Kafagaram Gulma Visheshatvam. Sugumaram is Vada Kafagaram Mutra Pumsamana Visheshatvam. Maharasnadi is Vada Kafagaram Ushnam Yoni Visheshatvam Sleepada Visheshatvam. Rasna Panjagam is Vada Kafagaram Ushnam Dadu Visheshatvam Osteopenia. Rasna Sattagam is Vada Kafagaram Ushnam Trika Visheshatvam Sunti Prakshebam. Sacroiliitis Trikam. You should understand the word Trikam, Kati, Prishtam. In a classical way, Trikam is sacroiliac joints, Prishtam is pelvis, Kati is lumbar region. Kadharvastha, Chiravilva, Chitraka, Shundi, Haridegi, Yavasa and Musali. Enapa Varamatangarde. Ramjit. Next slide. It is given in low back ache, discogenic disorders, spinal cord problem and spastic colon and dysmenorrhea. Irritable bowel syndrome can manifest in two ways. One is Vadagrahani, Muhurbaddam, Muhurdravam. Anavasthitatvam, Vishamada will be predominant. Bhaguvada Sleshmabhyam Kruraha. Susruta says and Arunadatta says, Vada Kafam is Kruragoshtam, Kalkudal. Kalkudal. But in Kruragoshtam, Virejanam is contraindicated. Snegavasti is indicated in Atyakni and Kruragoshta. Here we can give with Vaishwanara Churnam, Safenilam Udavartam Rajaha Krichrena Munjadi. The period's pain, the spasmodic dysmenorrhea, can be treated with the principles of Vadakafa Gulmam. Dose is 2 palas for Kashaya, 60 ml BD. Nobody is adding Prakshebam. Saindavam and Gudam are Prakshebam. Saindavam is added in Gandharvastadi above Nabi. Gudam is added in Gandharvastadi below Nabi. Amlena Saga Samyuktaha Sathishna Lavano Rasaga Madhuryam Bhajade Atyartham Tishna Bhavam Vimunjadi. Amlam plus Lavanam is Madhuram. So it helps in the reduction of Vidakta Vittam. Gudam is Srishta Vindmutratvam, Madharasam, Kleda Vardhanam. So in below navel, Gudam is added as a Prakshebam. So this has to be considered in mind. Many times my students say, Sir, we have given Gandharvastadi, but Anulomanatvam is not happening. That is why Agni Pariksha and Koshta Pariksha are very important in Ayurvedic clinical diagnosis. Today during Corona, what happened to the assessment of Prakriti? When I talked about Prakriti in my recent past videos, you can see Prakriti is preventive, which is useful in understanding a personality of mind, body, temperament. which helps a person to adopt certain things and to avoid certain things to live a healthy lifestyle. Prakriti got very less role in the management, except in Snegabana and in some of the assessment of Snegabanas and certain areas. Who is seeing Prakriti in Corona? When a patient comes to you with leg pain, you see the Prakriti. So, this Gandharvastadi Kashayam is not effective, sir. Gandharva Hastam. கந்தர்வனின் விரல்களைப் போல் அந்த இலை காட்சி அளிப்பதால் அதற்கு கந்தர்வ ஹஸ்தம் என்று பெயர். சித்திரகம், அந்த வித்தில் நிறைய மல்டி கலர்டு சீட். நதியின் பிழையன்று நறும்புனல் இன்மை. There is a river. If water is not going in the river, is it the mistake of the river? In Kamparamayanam, you can see that. Chiravilvadi, Chiravilvam, Sundi, Chitragam, Haridagi are common. Punarnava, Kana, Nagara, Kana are different. So it is Vadakapakaram, Vushnam, Gudagada Visheshatvam, Gudagada Vadam, Tuni, Pradiduni, Ashmari. Chiravilvadi is more Agnidevanam in nature. That is the difference between the two. Prakshepam is not very specific. It corrects Jadaragni, Gudakilam, Bhagandaram. Some Vaidyas treat varicosity by considering the principles of Arshas, because Arshas itself is a hemorrhoidal fluxus of veins. Gulmam is a wonderful disease. In my Sakaswara Yogam, I have translated, while translating the Palasruti of 20 to 30 diseases in Tiktaka Kashayam and Mahadiktagam, I have given beautiful translation because I have studied modern medicine also. While in the Gulmam, I kept quiet. There is no equivalent word for Gulmam. Phantom tumor and all, it's not correct. Udavartam also, I couldn't translate. Udavartam has to be understood as Udavartam only. Gulmam has to be understood as Gulmam only. If you take Gulmam chapter, the order of unfolding of medicines, Ashtachurnam, Chardula Churnam, Naraja Churnam, Vaishwanara Churnam, Inguvajadi, Bhaskara Lavanam, Habushadi Gridam, Lasuna Kshiravagam, Dandi Haridagi, Balladaga Gridam, Agadaksharam. That is the order in which the Vada Kafagara Aushadas are unfolded. The best medicine for Vada Kafagaram is Balladakam, Kapajona, Rogastina, Vibandasti, Kashana. So they would have told Balladakam and finished the chapter, but Balladakam comes after 140 slokas. So, my dear students, the logic is simple dyspepsia, non-ulcer dyspepsia, gastritis, small bowel ulcer, small bowel mass, spastic colon, large bowel mass, large bowel CA, and metastasis. So this is the way in which the things are told. So Agnidevanam and Malashodhanam. Prasaranyadi Kashayam is a Guru Yogam, Madhura Kadurasam, Ushna Vibhagam, Ushnam, Madhura Vibhagam, Vadasamanam, Guru. Prasarani, Masha, Bala, Rasna, Lasuna, Shunti. Many people buy bottle Kashayam, whereas this is a Kshira Kashayam. Where will you give Kshira Kashayam? When Vada Pittotare, Kafe Mande comes, you give Gridam. When there is Malabandam, Kshiram is indicated. Gridam and Kshiram are Madhura Rasam, Madhura Vibhagam, Sida Viryam, Snigdha Gunam, Vada Pitta Samanam, Kapavardhanam in nature. But Gridam is Agni Deepanam, Kshiram is Mrudu Virejanam. That is the difference. So Kshira Kashayam is given in Vada Pitta Avastha when there is Dadukshaya, not in Ashugari, not in Amavastha. So when Abhavagagam comes, the question Abhavagagam itself is a problem. What is Abhavagagam? Many people consider shoulder arthritis, periarthritis of shoulder as Abhavagagam. Shoulder arthritis has nothing to do with Abhavagagam. Amsam, Amsamulam, Amsasanti are different. Amsam is scapula, Amsasanti is glenohumeral, Amsamulam is cervical spine. Suppose you imagine in PA shoulders, Sthanika dosham is Kafam, Agantaka dosham is Vayu, both are Shidam, Prasarana Agunjana Yogo, Pravritim cha Vedana, and it comes in diabetes. Diabetes is a Kapha Utklishta Rogam. In Kaphaja Rogam, immediately after taking food, Kapha will be aggravated. Will you give Abhavagagam Hidam Natsyam Uttara Bhaktidam Gridam? Will you give that in a diabetic case? No. So immediately after eating, Kapham will be aggravated. At that stage itself, if you are giving Gridavana, that much Vada Prakopa would have taken deeper into the Dadu. Gambiram Bagudadustam Dirgagalam Avastidam denotes the Chayavastha, which will not happen in a single day. So my dear students, Abhavagam denotes cervical myelopathy, where Uttara Bhaktidam Gridam with Pippalyadi Gridam in Jwarachikissa. In Pippalyadi Gridam, you can see the word Amsa Tapam is mentioned. I always tell the students to understand the Visheshapala Surdi of a yoga. Pippalyadi Gridam, Amsa Tapam, Rasna Dasamuladi, Shirokambam, Talisadi, Mudavada Anulomanam, Sido Baladi, Karabada Dagam, Lagu Sakajaradi, Vasti Gundaliga. There are so many specific Mudavada Anulomanam, Dadimadi Gridam, Dukka Prasivininam cha Bandhyanam cha Prasasyade, Aredasi, Apradasi in Kalyanagam, Gadgadatvam in Kalyanagam. Nowhere in the yoga the word Gadgadatvam is mentioned. Stammering. Only one yoga in the whole text. So this is a Guru Yoga that is given in Kapham. After eating, you sleep and Kapha increases. So practically brachial neuralgia, cervical radiculopathy, monoplegia, motor neuron disease, cord issues, cervical myelopathy, and demyelination issues, which comes under the broad spectrum umbrella of word Abhavagagam. I always say Jwaram spectrum, Gulmam spectrum, Adisaram spectrum, because you can incorporate so many diseases under the word Gulma. Whether Gulmam is a mass or gas, it includes both. It includes both and much more than that. Much more than that. So, there are certain words which you cannot translate. 60 ml BD, Kalyanaga Gurdam is the Prakshevam, because in Chakradatta, in Amsasabam, Amsasandhi Sulam, Kalyanaga Gurdam is mentioned as a specific medicine for Amsarogas. So I have studied this Chakradatta and added this. That's why we put Sakasra Yoga and other texts. We are talking other texts also. Because other texts, in my Sakasra Yoga, I have added various yogas from Charaka Samhita, 50 ganas, and some yogas from old Venkatramana Ayurveda College books. Now, as I told you, Vada Kaphakara medicines are more. When Vada Pitta Vriddhi takes place in a person, Dadukshaya takes place in a person, Gambhira Vadam takes place in a person, the person is very lean. Can you give Saptakam, Panchakam, Maharasnadi? Of course, Maharasnadi is little Brahmana. Saptasaram, because it is meant for Stula Dehi. In Krishna Dehi, you need Madhurarasam Vada Samanam Brahmanam. Anulomanam should be there. So, Dhanvandaram contains Bala, Goduma, Kshira, Madhurarasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Siddhavirya, Kinjit Tikta Gunam is also there. Vadanubandha Pitta Shamanam Brahmanam Snigdha Guna Yuktam. Dashamulam is there. It is given in Sudiga. Vishesha Palasrudi is Astishulam. And any medicine that is used for dinacharya and daily usage will have limited Vyadhi Pratiniga property. Anudailam is used for daily usage. It is for Dosha Pratiniga property. Whenever you select a drug, my dear students, because I am a teacher, I am a practitioner. I am a practitioner who became a teacher. Teacher becoming a practitioner and practitioner becoming teacher, there is a vast difference. Vada Kafam and Kafavadam are different. Vada Kafam, Lasunam. Kafavadam, Pippali. Both are different. So, in Ashtangradhyam, Sharirasthanam, in pregnant ladies it is given. If a drug is given in pregnant lady, what does it indicate? The safety profile is so high. If the pregnant lady can take, a non-pregnant person like all these people can take. That is why in Sadharana Rudu, Karkadaga Masam, Dhanvantaram is selected. Kodambu means Yamalam. One Stavara Snegam, one Jangama Snegam is taken. Nei and Gridam and Yaranda Dailam. Sukumaram is a Yamalam. Shavanaprasam is Yamalam. It contains Teladailam and Gridam. Shavanaprasam is a Yamalam. It contains Yamalam. Sugumaram is Yamalam. Buddha Yukta Yamala Sugumara Rasayanam. Samashidoshnam. Low back ache in a lean person. Osteoporosis, osteoporotic kyphosis, traumatic soft tissue injury, lean person with backache, lumbar degeneration, facet arthropathy. When you turn around, you get pain. Avascular necrosis, where the principle Dhanvantaram is good. Tiktarasena Kshiragradadi Beshadam, where you will be giving Nekrodadi Kshiragashayam, Laksha Gugulu, Gugulidikta Gradam, Sugumara Legium, Panchadikta Kshiravasti, hip arthritis OA and chondromalacia patella, which is very common in young girls. When they walk straight line, they will not get pain. When they climb, they get pain. When they come down, they get more pain. Paget's disease, alkaline phosphatase will be high in men. It is very common. Bone becomes soft and they get hearing loss. Perthes disease is avascular necrosis in children. Dish. Very commonly we see dish. Diffuse idiopathic spondylohyperostosis, D3 deficiency. So my dear students, the condition where Rasana Saptakam is given is entirely different from the condition where Dhanvantaram is given. Dhanvantaram is Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Vada Pitta Shamana. Vidaryadi is also Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Sita Virya, Guru Snigdha Guna, Vada Pitta Shamana, Kapha Vardhana, Brahmana. I told Dhanvantaram is for Swastha, which has Vadi Pratiniga property. For first 6 months of pregnancy, Susruta says, Vidaryadi has to be given for pregnant ladies. Antenatal, postnatal. Vidaryadi, antenatal, Dhanvantaram, postnatal. You see this? Then what is the difference between Vidaryadi and Dhanvantaram? The Palasruti of Vidaryadi is above Nabi. The Palasruti of Dhanvantaram is below Nabi. Sthanam is very important because Sthanam means receptors. Receptors are Sthanam. That is why Dosha Pratinigam, Vyadhi Pratinigam, Ubhaya Pratinigam, Mukhya Dravya Visheshatvam, Sthana Visheshatvam, Prakarana Visheshatvam must be there once you write a medicine. Suppose a Stula Dehi come to you with back pain, I write Rasana Saptakam Kashayam with Prasaranyadi Thailam Membodi, Dasamula Haridagi at bedtime, Navaga Gugulu. Student asked me, sir, why did you write this? Rasana Saptakam Vada Kafagaram, Prasanyadi Thailam. Thailam is important in Vada Vyadi. Thailam is Vada Kafagaram. Gridam is Vada Pittagaram. Navaga Gugulu is given, which is Vada Kafavadagaram. Stula Nasanam. Dasamula Haridagi Vada Kafagaram. Anulomanam. Sofagnam. That is why I have selected this medicine in this condition. That is a teacher. He is a guru. Vaidya Vidya Sampradaya Kartribhyo, Vaidya Rishibhyo, Magadbhyo Namo Gurubhyaha. So if you write ton, tim, some patent drug which may be effective, but you cannot become a teacher. What will you teach if you write a patent drug? You see 100 cases a day. Maybe true. We accept that, we respect that. But what will you explain? The E company marundu kollam, E guliga kollam. That's not a way to teach. And uterine disorders like endometriosis, Dhanvantaram, Avarti, Samskarasya Anuvardhanam, Yoga Vagitvam, when a drug mixed with other drug should not lose its own property, at the same time adhere and enhance the property of the things to which it is added is called Yoga Vagitvam. Gridam is Yoga Vagi, Tailam is Yoga Vagi, Gridam is better Yoga Vagi, Samskarasya Anuvardhanam. Madhu is Yoga Vagi, Tippali is Yoga Vagi. Sankarakam commentary, you can see that. Dhanana Nayanadi, Kuberaksham, Kuberanuடைய கண் குபேரனே நாம் பார்த்ததில்லை. Root is used. Sagatsarayogam, it is Tiktarasam, Kaduvibhagam, Ushnaviryam, Kafanubandam, Vadagaram, Ruksham, Ushnam, Levanam, Avaranagram. One day I will talk about Avarana. Two topics I want to talk. One is Avarana, how to understand Avarana in clinical practice. Second thing is the relevance of Arishta Lakshanas in day-to-day practice. Nobody had touched this topic. Already I have taken it to some of my students like Dr. Aishwarya and all. People are afraid to handle this topic. Dhanananayanam, Shunti, Shikru, Rasonam, Tippali, Varunam, all Kadurasam, Chitragam, Lasunam, Kafavadagara Yoga told in Pakshagadam, Ardidam. Vadakapa Pakshagadam is infarction. Vadabitta Pakshagadam is hemorrhage. Mahamanjishtadi is Tiktarasam, Sidaviryam, Rukshagunam, Pittasamanam, Kafasamanam. Mahamanjishtadi Visesha Palasudi is Pakshagadam. What is the role of Tiktarasa Aushada in a Pakshagadam? Because it is a Pittaja Pakshagadam, intracerebral hemorrhage and subdural hematoma, which forms hemorrhagic stroke. Then I say Ardidam. Ardidam of Susruda is different from Ardidam of Charaga. Ardidam of Susruda denotes Bell's palsy. The Bell's palsy, you have corneal reflex and conjunctival reflex will be absent, afferent by trigeminal, efferent by seventh nerve, sensory afferent by trigeminal, motor efferent by seventh nerve, which will be absent. Bell sign will be positive. The Bell's palsy of Susruda is Ardidam, whereas the Bell's palsy of Charagam denotes cranial nerve palsy with hemiplegia. Ipsilateral cranial nerve palsy with contralateral hemiplegia, and convulsions we have added. There are only two Palasrudis, Pakshagadam and Ardidam in Dhanananayanam. But Vada Kapha spectrum, Dhanananayanam, we have added convulsion, tonic-clonic seizures, clonic seizures, tonic seizures, Vadabhasmaram, temporal lobe epilepsy, Pittabhasmaram, partial seizures, Jacksonian seizures, akinetic seizures, petit mal seizures, Kaphabhasmaram, Vadabhasmaram, Kalyanagam, Pittabhasmaram, Ashtadasa Kushmandam, Kaphabhasmaram, Panjagavyam, Kadurasam Medyam, Madhurasam Medyam, Diktarasam Medyam. So trigeminal neuralgia again, Vada Vriddhi in Kapasthana, both are Shida. Myoclonic jerk, some people after sleeping, it is called hypnic jerk. Dystonia, Kalli Vadam, Kalli to Pada Jangavuru, Karamula, Avabotani, twisting type of pain is Kalli. Many students do not know. Kalli is a Vada Vyadi. Ababhagagam is Kalli, Gridhrasi is Kalli, Ababhagagam and Gridhrasi are Kalli according to Hridaya, I think. Susruda says Kalli to Pada Jangavuru, Karamula, Avabotani, Athitosis, Hemibalismus, dystonia, myoclonus, all these involuntary movement disorders are Kali. Karamula avapodani. The beauty, the greatest beauty I want to tell here, Ashtanga Sankaram, 11th chapter, Matrasiyam, the Chikisa of Kali is told. See that? Kali Chikisa is told in Sutrasthanam. In Janabadottam, some hot water is told. In Charaka. Parkinson's disease, titubation, cerebellar ataxia. Prakshebam, Thailam is important in Vada Vyadi. Again and again I am telling, there are only two kashayas for Vada Vyadi. One is Dhanana, one is Padradarvadi. That is told in Akshevagam in Susruda. Sakataradi is told in Urustambam. Urustambam is not a Vada Vyadi, Kevala Vada Vyadi. One fellow asked me, sir, today one of my students asked, sir, why Girdarasi is told in Nanatmaja Vada Vyadi and Samanyada Vada Vyadi? See how people ask question. While asking question, you are intended to test the ignorance, not the knowledge. You want to test the ignorance, you can ask me, why did Susruda did not talk about Asti and Majjavaga Srodhas? How do I know? I don't know. He didn't tell, that is his choice. So this Nanatmaja Vyadi also Girdarasi is told. Vada Kafam Girdarasi is Samanyaja Vyadi, where not even a single feature of root tissue is told. The reason for the talk is, all Thailas are told in Vada Vyadi. Vada Kafam Thailam. Shariradhanam doshanam kramena paramaushadam vastir virego vamanam tada thailam gridam madhu. Thailam Vada Kafagaram. Gridam Vada Pittagaram. Honey Kafa Pittagaram. That is the meaning of this word. So Sakajaradi Devi Thailam is important. Kashayam is not important. But conventionally what we do, எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு கஷாயம் எழுதுறோம், எல்லாத்தையும் மிக்ஸ் பண்றோம், நிறைய மாறணும். So many things in the corona issue, I want to share a lot of my feelings to you. I think Ayya's Ayush is organizing an exclusive seminar on COVID. They have contacted me. Probably they may inform you. Shunti Baladi, Shunti Bala, Adibala. 3 medicines, Sakasra Yogam, Kadu Maduram, Vada Kafagaram, Prasuptigaram. Prasuptigara Yogam. Prasupti is Vada Pradhanya Kushtam and Vada Kafa Pradhanya Pramegam. In Prasupti, there are only 2 yogas that are mentioned. Anga Kudu. One is Rasna Dashamula Amurdadi Kashayam. Ashtanga Gradiyam Kushta Chikisa Dashamulam Amurdam Chargeshtam Meshaslingi. In Vada Kushtam. Then in the middle of the Kushta Chikisa, Bunimbadi Yogam, Bunimba Nimba Trifala Patmaka Adivishagana, Kushtameka Prasupti Nam Paramam Syada Tadaushanam. Prasupti. Here there is another yogam for Prasupti. Nambu Neuropathy. In demyelinating neuropathy, diabetic neuropathy, sensory neuropathy, you have to give Jirna Pinyaga Thailam. So many times I told, but I want to tell again and again. Pinyagam is Ruksham. Tilam is the Yoni. Thailam is Snigdam. Dadi is the Yoni. Gridam is Snigdam. Takram is Ruksham. So Pinyaga Thailam, Jirna Pinyaga Thailam, Dashamulam. Maharasnadi, Sarangadara Samhita, Kadudiktam, Ushnaviryam, Kafavadagaram, Kinjit Brahmanam, Mutralam, Sleepada Visheshatvam, Yoni Visheshatvam, Rasna Dviguna Bagaha, double the quantity. Bell's neurology, I have divided Palasruti into various systems. Bell's palsy, bulbar palsy, involuntary movement disorder, cervical myelopathy, IVDP, CVA. It is there. Apasmaram, it is there. Kyphosis. Sacroiliitis, Trigashulam, Sleepadam, Bradna Rogam, Spastic colon, Temporomantium dismobility syndrome, Yoni Rogam, endometriosis, Asya Apakarshaka Gadi. Vada takes endometrium and put it somewhere else. Endometriosis, spondylolisthesis is endometrio, is Asya Apakarshaka Gadi. When they talk about Asya Apakarshaka Gadi, everybody write Shagagata Kamala only. 2 marks. If you write Sloka, 3 marks. Sometimes they weigh the paper, half kilos. Has written half kilo. We will give good marks. Slogam. By-hearting is needed, but by by-hearting, you should not lose your logic thinking. That is why I tell Ayurvedic doctors to play chess intermittently. Chess sharpen the brain. Right brain activation is also needed. 60 ml BD, 2 palas. Lot of prakshepa dravyas are told for Maharasanadi, Yogaraja Guggulu, Adhamoda Churnam, Jiraga Churnam, Shunti Churnam. Likewise, so many prakshepas are there. Shunti, Pippali, Yogaraja Guggulu, Ajamodadi, Yerandadelam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prakshepas are told in this text. Are we using this? No. Rasana Saptakam, are we using Shunti? No. Is it the mistake of Acharyas? No. We should bring out the next Ayurvedic community from this company-based bottle consciousness. We made a therapeutic guide of 30 important medicines which are needed for practice. We need a little medicine only. I started with 500 medicine, now we use little medicine. We write other medicines for so many other reasons, not mainly for clinical reasons. Clinical reason, you need only 30 medicines. You can practice. Tiktarasam, Kashayarasam, Madurarasam, Amlarasam, Vadabittam, Pittakavam, Kavavadam. You have medicines. Rasana Saptakam, you know that. Rasana Mrida, Arakvada, Devadara, Gokshri, Aranda, Punarnava. Very famous yoga. Prikashulam, Seronegative arthropathy. Seronegative arthropathy, I want to talk about that. Many people with RA, they come and tell, sir, I have the patient ASO is high. So what? Sir, patient RA is positive. So what? You should correlate clinically. If there is low hemoglobin, high ESR, high CRP, anti-CCP positive, digital early morning stiffness should be there, bilaterally equal and symmetrical should be there, Padayor, Divajanam, equal and symmetrical involvement must be there, Sukumara Degi must be there. According to Bela Samhita, women are Sukumara Degis are Pitta Prakritis. Bela Samhita, Harida Samhita says, Haridam and Belam, even during a Vakbada's period, they didn't give importance. But Harida Samhita, we have different, various types of Amavada is told by him. Exam they asked last year. Types of Amavada are told by Harida Samhita. Tholanjam Padikilena. Sarakam Matu Rasayanam Padijiti exam Kupora. Narasimham Kata. Tholanjam. Lasunam Pochi. Panjaravindam Pochi. Kuvale Sadushkam Pochi. Onime liye Charaka Rasayanatle. Many things are missed. Bakuji Pochi. Balladaga irukku. Tippali irukku. I think Shilajit irukku nenikren. Osteoarthritis, facet arthropathy, cervical spondylosis. Many people tell spondylitis, which is wrong. There are only 2 spondylitis in practice. Ankylosing spondylitis and tubercular spondylitis, which is Pott's disease. So you ask these questions to all the patients, sir. Simplified version I am telling. Do you have dandruff? Do you have red eye? Do you have oral ulcer? Do you have burning micturition? Do you have diarrhea? Do you have pain in the calcaneal area? If one is positive, that is SSA, seronegative arthropathy. RA will be false positive, recovery will be full. All these AS, psoriatic arthropathy, Reiter's syndrome, reactive arthritis, all these comes under SSA group. Vadaraktam, spectrum of disorders. So, CPPD, calcium, a old woman, 50-year-old lady coming to you. Obesity, both knees are affected. ESR is 60. In OA, ESR should not be elevated, but ESR is elevated. It is not RA. RA means minor joint involvement. Of course, adult onset rheumatoid is there, postpartum rheumatoid is there. This is not like that. Obese lady, knee pain, high ESR. This is calcium pyrophosphate crystal arthropathy, which belong to Pitta Pradhanya Sandhi Gadavada. What is Gadavadam? Sandhi Gadavadam. Koshta Gadavadam. Pakvasya Gadavadam. Already Pakvasya there is Vadam. Asti Gadavadam. Rakta Gadavadam, Rakta Avradavadam. Shukra Gadavadam, Shukra Avradavadam. These are, I know all these things because I am teaching MD Gayatri Gisa. These are all the things students ask me. Because they know how to ask questions. They ask all these questions, so we work hard to answer. So Shundi Churnam is important. Shundi and ginger, they have same property as per Ashtanga Hridaya. Rasana, Panchagam, Tiktagadu, Ushnaviryam, Vata Kapagaram, Dadu Visheshatvam. Dadu Visheshatvam, Vada Vyadis, osteopenia, osteoporosis, Paget's disease. And that is Rasana Panchagam. Again, that is for Stula Degi. Rasana Shunti Again, that is Kadadiktarasam, Ushnaviryam, Kapavadagaram. That is why I brought Kadadiktagaram, Ushnam, Kapavadagaram, Vadaro, Kashayas for Stula Degi into one group. Krisadegi, only few Kashayas are there. Even in Siddha medicine, Pitta Samana yogas are very less. Vata Kapha Samana yogas are very more. Brachial neuralgia, thoracic outlet syndrome, all are ababhagam. Right, cervical radiculopathy. One fellow came with pain here. That is avascular necrosis of wrist joint. It is not tenosynovitis, it is not carpal tunnel syndrome. So I write Dhanvandaram Kashayam, Gandadailam, Nagaradilevam, Murivanna. Student asked me, sir, this is a continuity of Ababhagam. You should have written Rasana Shuntyadi in the morning, Prasaranyadi in the evening, Karpasasyadi Nasyam, Panjasnegam Kadambu. That is more logical. I told no. Gulfedo, Manibandedo, Due, Kurchasiram Site, Rujagarani Janiyad, Ashtovimsadi Buddhiman. Manibandam is a Rujagara Marmam, Analana Marmam Dottu Edine, Abhigadagnam Gara property, Dhanvandaram, Nagaradi, Gandadailam, Lakshadi Dailam, Muttapatti, all these things are having. So Kanjana Ragukulu can be given as a prakshevam for Rasana Shuntyadi, Rasana Tamalagyadi. Tamalagi is not told in Kamala Chikissa. Kumari is not told in Brigatrais. Sarpagandam is not told in Brigatrais. Tamalagi is introduced in Swasakaraganam of Charaga. Tamalagi is told here in Rasana Tamalagyadi Kashayam, not available in practice. Nobody is making it, not a very essential yoga. Given in Sandhivadam and Vada Vyadi, 80 Vada Vigaras. Actually, in some textbook, 81 Vada Vigaras are there. Prakshevam, Saindavam. Kaushigotta Rasnadi. It is also not there in practice, but it is there in Sakasra Yoga. Sarvangavadam, Yegangavadam, Swasakasam, Tandram. Saraswata Arishtam. Now we are coming to the neurological disorders. Madhuradiktam, Kinjit Ushnam improves language. Language is different, phonation is different, articulation is different. Nalla purinjikidunga. Language is buddhi. Articulation is vak. Phonation is swaram. This is phonation. How are you? I am converting thought into ideas. Articulation. Mimicry is included in language. Mono act is included in language. இப்படி கை காணிச்சா என்ன அர்த்தம்? எப்போ வந்தேன்னு அர்த்தம். இப்படி சாப்பிட்டா என்ன அர்த்தம்? சினிமாவுக்கு போனேன்னு அர்த்தம், சாப்பிட்டாச்சான்னு அர்த்தம். அவன் பேசவே இல்லையே, மௌனம் தானே. தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி மௌனத்துல தானே டீச் பண்றார். So the maunam is also a language, temporoparietal region. So Vak Sangam, Buddhimandyam, Vak Sangam, Adidevada is Agni. Brahmana Snegavanam, Kshirabala, Swaram, Swaryam. In Vidaryadi, the word Swaryam is coming. In Kshirabala, Swaryam, Mukyadamam, Indriyanam Prasadanam is coming. But in Charaka Samhita, Kantyam Ganam is there, Swaryam Ganam is not there. Vatasamanam Kantyam, repetitive strain injury, Pittasamanam Kantyam, laryngitis, Kafasamanam Kantyam, polyps in the larynx. So Mandugavarni, Sadavari, Brahmi, Brahma's wife is Brahmi, Saraswati. Mandugavarni looks like brain. So that is Dravya Samanyam, Guna Samanyam, Karma Samanyam. Gold foils are used and said that it will get dissolved in Arishta and preserved in Girda. Golden pot in Solranga, should be made in Pushya Nakshatra. What is the significance of Pushya Nakshatra for Pumsavana? The Kadurasa Pradhanya drugs, Ashwagandha, Sadapushpa are added. It is given in Medyam, Kafasamanam Medyam, seizure disorders, involuntary movement disorders, vasovagal attacks, Murcha, cognition disorders, Prajna, dysphonia, Swara disorders, dysarthria, Vagdushti, dyslexia, apraxia, Indriya Pradoshada Vyadi, Karmendriya Pradoshada Vyadi, mental retardation, cerebral palsy, language. Language is a very big issue. You have Broca's aphasia, you have Wernicke's aphasia, you have conduction aphasia, you have anomic aphasia, you have transcortical sensory, transcortical motor, transcortical global, absolute global. If I go on talking like this, we will never finish Sahasrayogam in the next 2 years. So psychosis, schizophrenia, adatva vinivesham, dementia, smriti, vada. The memory has got 3 components: recording, retaining, and recalling. Recording is kapha, retaining is pitta, recalling is vayu. I always tell frontal lobe is vada related to urine, and we put this dara here in the Agnya Chakra. The left and right brain synchronization takes place. You get a state of restful alertness. Villil பூட்டப்பட்ட அம்பு போன்றது அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் இருக்கே. குரோஸ்து மௌனம் வியாக்கியானம் சிஷ்யாஸ்து சின்ன சம்சியா. தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி மௌனமா தான் இருக்கார். கல்லாலின் புடையமர்ந்து நான்மறை ஆரங்கம் முதற்கற்ற கேள்வி வல்லார்கள் நால்வருக்கும் வாக்கிருந்த பூரணமாய் மறைக்கப்பாலா எல்லாமாய் எல்லாதுமாய் இருந்ததனை இருந்தபடி இருந்து காட்டி சொல்லாமற் சொன்னவரை நினையாமல் நினைந்து பவத்தொடக்கை வெல்வாம் பரஞ்சோதி முனிவர். அவ்வளவு இருக்கு சாஸ்திரத்துல. வடசுல ஊர்துவ மூலம் அதசாகம், உடம்பு தான் அது. இவ்வளவு பெரிய விஷயங்கள்லாம் இருக்கு. நம்ம அதெல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு மெமரி இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பூஸ்டர் யூசேஜ் ஆஃப் 2 months enough. 1 year will cure many disease. Practically not correct. It is not possible to prepare in golden vessel. Golden vessel எடுத்துட்டு போயிடுவான். ஒருத்தன் இருந்தானா, அவன் சொன்னானா, நான் இரும்பு பாத்திரத்தை திருடுவேன். இரும்பு பாத்திரத்தை திருடி என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? அதை வித்து பேரிச்சம்பழம் வாங்குவேன் நான். அப்ப குரு சொன்னாராம், அதுக்கு நீ பேரிச்சம்பழமே திருடலாமேப்பா, 2 வேலை எதுக்கு பண்ற? நீ 2 வேலை எதுக்கு பண்ற? திஸ் இஸ் கேப்பபிள் ஆஃப். அப்ப அதல்ல இதுல. அரிஷ்டம் இஸ் கிவன் வித் மில்க். அரிஷ்டம் வித் மில்க் இஸ் சம்யோக விருத்தா. அப்ப அதுக்கு கொஸ்டின் வருது, என்னப்பா இது சம்யோக விருத்தமாச்சப்பா? லசூன க்ஷீரபாகம் என்ன சம்யோக விருத்தம் தானே? அப்ப விருத்தம் என்பது ஆகாரத்துக்கு தான், ஔஷதத்துக்கு கிடையாது. லசூன க்ஷீரபாகம் இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார், இட்ஸ் an indication for samyoga viruddha but not for medicine. So saraswatarishta milk is anubana. Many people do not even know this. It should be taken immediately, but many people give it drops. Sadavariyadi kashayam, madurarasam, sheedaviryam, vadapittakaram, pittanubandavadagaram, balagudujyadi, pittanubandavadagaram. What is pittanubandavadam? Koshtaka sirisham, pittadigavadaraktam, rheumatoid, SLE, gout, bleeding disorders, coagulation disorders. Vadanubandha pittam is bleeding. Kafanubandha pittam is glotting. Madhusharkara is given Kaisoram, Chandraprabha, Abhayarishtam, Poshtanulomanam Param. Many people think, what is the main ingredient of Abhayarishtam? One fellow asked, what is the main ingredient of Shavanaprasam? He told Shavana. I told, how will you remove the Nellikai? Pottu Varakanamepa. Main ingredient of Shavanaprasam. Yesterday, Saju showed me a photograph from the newspaper. True. Shavanaprasam candy. Candy, a stick, Shavanaprasam stick. All these fellows will spoil our Ayurveda. They may bring Shavanaprasam aftershave lotion also. Our community will accept it. Because we accept everything, It is, after all, marketing. Many of the Vadigarana Dravyas, the effect is due to the outer cover, not due to the inner ingredient. Satyam. The main ingredient of Abhayarishtam is Amalaki. 5 kilos. 5 kilos Amalaki. Abhaya konjam bole. Contains Kabitham, Haridagi, Indravaruni, Pekummatti. Yaram border there. Adhika badil enna border? Kattu Vellari Veringran. Vellari Vere Kadakile. Enda Katula Edutha. Non-bleeding hemorrhoids, abdominal distension, dyspepsia, constipation, worms. The Vishesha Palasurdhi of Abhayarishtam is Garavisham. Putam only 15 days. Garavisham. Abhayarishtam is told. Garavisham. Nobody knows that. We practice it. Vishahara Dravya. Abhayarishtam is a Vishahara Dravya. Ashwagandha Arishtam. Mudinjida irka? Innu edukala. Ashwagandha Arishtam. Vaishadya Ratnavali, Apasmara Murcha Adhigaram, Trikta Kadurasam, Kadu Bhagam, Ushnaviryam, Kapavadagaram. Ashwagandha is main ingredient. Kafanubandharogam, Majjagadavadam, stimulant. Many people give Ashwagandha for rheumatoid. In Vadarakta Prakaranam, even in Vada Vyadhi of Ashtanga Hridaya, there is no big mention about Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha works on Majjavagasrodas, Shukravagassrodas, Manovagassrodas. So Ashwagandha cannot be randomly given in rheumatoid. Ashwagandha, the Churnam, Yogaraja Gugulu, Arumuga Senduram. No, dosha vikalpam. You can write anything. Patients will come. Patients will wait for you. Through advertisement, patient will come. Through exaggeration, patient will come. Through good English language, patient will come. Due to your personality, patient will come. ஆடு சென்னையாச்சா ஊர்ல மழை பெஞ்சுதான்னு கேட்பான். அதுக்கும் பேஷண்ட் வருவாங்க. ஆடு சென்னையானா என்ன, மழை பெஞ்சா என்ன, மழை பெய்யலன்னா நமக்கு என்ன? We are strict people. And I am strict, still patients come means because we diagnose properly. Diagnosis. ஒருத்தன் சொன்னா என்னப்பா டயக்னோசிஸ்னு? பாண்டு மாதிரின்னா. பாண்டுவே ஒரு மாதிரி. இந்த பாண்டு மாதிரினா involuntary movement disorders, wasting disorders, cerebellar ataxia. It is a mood elevator. Mood elevator. Dementia. Purna Chandrodayam. Somebody asked, how can you do dosha vigalpam? Purna Chandrodayam suppository. Somebody is dying for COVID. It is not a medicine for Ashugari Avastha. Of course, Siddhamagaradhvajam we give gold, mercury and Kandagam 1:8:16 in Valga method. Kubi Pakvarasayana, debilitating diseases, demyelination, post-viral recovery, motor neuropathy, Parkinson's disease, cognitive disease, Madhura Kadarasam, Madhura Ubhagam, Samasidoshna Viryam, Tridosha Samanam, basically Vada Samana Yoga, Kapha Vardhana Yoga. So even in Rasasastra you can do dosha vigalpa, hyperventilation syndrome, mania, acute respiratory distress syndrome, Swasakasam, Mahaswasam, cortical, Chinnaswasam, medullary, Tamagaswasam, respiratory, Kshutraswasam, Pradhamagaswasam, bronchitis with infection, Kshutraswasam, hyperventilation, Manoswasam, that is psychiatric problem due to anxiety, neurosis, Jogran syndrome, Rasayanam, Vajigaranam, in Yaganga Virarasam, Kadarasam, Kadubagam, Vushnaviryam, Kapavadagaram, not for Pitta Pradhanya Roga, processed in Shigru, Chitragam, Nirgundi, Ardragam, Trigadu, CVA, infarct, Bell palsy, sciatica, brachial neuralgia, cervical radiculopathy, G and Dasamolam given in Akshebhagavadi, Ardhangavada, hemiplegic recovery. Is it time? What's time now? Can we stop it here? Yeah, go to next topic. Now, my dear doctors, we will continue Sahasra Yoga next week. Now I am going to mucormycosis. Kindly wait for 2 minutes. Mucormycosis, the black fungus. Few days before, one modern medicine doctor visited our house for the birthday of my daughter. So I told him there are some Indian medicine doctors who treat COVID successfully. I was telling that even mortality they prevent. The doctor resisted my statement, telling that his relatives are working in Omandurar. They see the cases in the last minute when saturation falls drastically. And I told we manage only asymptomatic, mild to moderate cases. He resisted that, telling that many are self-limiting diseases, self-limiting stages in corona, COVID. You tell you manage mild cases, homeopathic people do, naturopathy say, Unani say, Siddha say, Ayurveda say, where is your uniqueness? And based on avastha, medicines are changed by individual vaidyas here and there. Avastham prapya nirdishtam, based on avastha, dosha vigalpa, doshagi vigalpanai, vigalpamana, vigalpayandidi, vigaran. You change the medicines accordingly based on the avastha. No doctor is giving a protocol medicine. Of course, a basic protocol is needed for younger generation. They ask me, they call us. There is a big student community who follow my style of teaching. They called me, sir, how should we approach? We got an opportunity to treat 2 cases, one in Bangalore, another in Chennai. That was treated by my direct disciple, Dr. Aishwarya, who is the prime author of this work. I just wanted to honor her. That's why I put her name first. A brilliant clinician. And there are a lot of variabilities. எதுலேருந்து பேசணும்? There are a lot of variabilities. We have testimonies which we will publish after treating 200 cases of moderate to early stages of severe cases in 10 villages, 10 to 15 villages around. Every day 30 corona cases, knowingly or unknowingly, through some source from some part of this state, get our medicines. Some are doing extremely well, 75% are doing well. We faced a few deaths also. Our treatment is not 100% effective. It is effective. You cannot deny that it is placebo. psychologically active, organically not active. Not like that. It is active. You say placebo, then how can you say Kavajora Kudinir produces gastritis? So that means it has got an affection in Pitta Prakriti because of Kadurasa. If you put Yashtimadu, it goes away. So we get a news, saw in the newspaper, there is a great Vaidya Mahatma in Andhra Pradesh who is giving some medicine which is effective. 50, 60,000 people are standing in the queue. Will they go if there is not effective? But if you ask him what is the medicine, Dr. Varalakshmi from Chennai, a great scholar, PhD from Banaras Hindu University, made a beautiful with Prabhakar Rao sir, made a beautiful documentation. Koshatagi, one of the drug, Paypirk, which we are also using. Few drugs are common, few are not common. Madam has given similar drugs. That's a fantastic work. And hope you would have also studied that. But we cannot go and ask him, sir, based on Avastha, do you change? Do you assess Agni, Amam and Koshtam? No. But that is effective, that has to be respected. People interpret D-dimer and other things based on Ayurvedic and they give, that also has to be everything. Nobody is bigger, nobody is smaller because we are all making effort based on the knowledge, experience. Shastram, Yukti and Anubhavam. So with this perspective, we wanted to create, last time when Corona came, nobody told it is a Pitta Vyadhi. Nobody told Vidaryadi has to be given in the first stage. Nobody told Kushmandam in the first stage. They told Indugandham, Dasamula Gadatriyam, Vyagradi, Patyakustumbaradi, Abhaya Pipulimuladi, all are Vadakavagara, Ushna, Kadurasa, Brahmadi in nature. Now these Corona, the variants, Vayu, Vishamagadi, Vishamavastha, Vishamajjuravastha, Vishamam, Anavasthitatvam, mutation, variabilities, Vayur, Vibhajati, multiplications. Prasaram, produced by Vayu. So Barangyadi, we started with Barangyadi, but Jwaram we manage very well. Severe Jwara with Jayamangala Rasa, Vettumaran Gudiga, Barangi, Vishnukranti. The greatest complication is oxygen saturation, thrombus formation. During my COVID talk in the next coming days, I will talk what should we do for that. What we can do, up to what level we can do, what we cannot do, what we should not do. So this is made by my beloved student Aishwarya and one of my student Vinay Chaudhary, who is MD, PhD from Jamnagar, based on my guidance and constant training, did it. Now we will enter into the topic. Saju idu varamatangaradeppa. Mucormycosis is called zygomycosis, is a serious rare fungal infection caused by a group of fungal molds called mucormycetes. The fungi live throughout the environment, particularly in the soil and in decaying organic matter such as leaves, compost piles or rotten wood. Risk factors: diabetes, diabetic ketoacidosis, high levels of body produces acid called ketones, cancer patient, immunocompromised patient, organ transplant, renal transplant, liver transplant, stem cells transplant, neutropenia, low white blood cells count less than 45, long-term usage of corticosteroids, that is 16 BD for 8 days and 8 for another 1 week and 4 1 week, like that. They taper it. Modern doctors do that. More than 8 days in a diabetic person, we should be very careful. Hemochromatosis, more iron deposition in the liver, like Wilson's, where copper is deposited, skin injury due to surgery, burns and wounds, prematurity and low birth weight for neonatal gastrointestinal mucormycosis, which is rare. Gastrointestinal is rare. That's what I studied. Industrial oxygen may have fungal spores that may have been a reason for outbreak for mucormycosis. One of the Aganduja Nidhana, it's a hypothesis, not proved, but the talks are there. People talk about this concept also. So rhinocerebellar, sinus brain mucormycosis, lung mucormycosis, very common, these two. Gastrointestinal mucormycosis, cutaneous mucormycosis, disseminated. Widespread mucormycosis are not documented very often. Rhinocerebellar mucormycosis, you can see this. There are antifungal drugs. Sometimes surgery has to be done to prevent further progression of the disease. So you have to write MRI brain, screen paranasal sinus and orbit. Like that you have to write an MRI. You should know how to write an MRI in mucormycosis. MRI brain, screen paranasal sinus and orbit. Like that you have to write CT chest. MRI is not taken for chest, CT chest. It's what we write. Now, rhinocerebellar mucormycosis, common in diabetic renal transplant patients. Unilateral facial swelling, headache, nasal congestion, sinus congestion, spine pain, serosanguineous discharge, fluid that contains serous and bloody discharge, and fever. Rhinocerebellar mucormycosis. Pulmonary mucormycosis, fever, cough and chest pain, which is very common. We will be giving Kadurisam, Vushnaviriam, Vadakafagaram automatically. Even in aspergillosis, we do like that. In a neutropenic patient, that denotes immunosuppressed hematological malignancy like Hodgkin's, non-Hodgkin's. Rhinocerebellar mucormycosis, one side is affected. CT chest showed reversed halo sign. Central ground class obesities are surrounded by areas of consolidation. You see that? And reversal hollow sign may be considered of pulmonary mucormycosis in the clinical context. So CT gives an idea. Cutaneous skin-based mucormycosis, fungus in the skin seen in burns, injuries. Inflammatory response, pus formation, abscess formation, tissue swelling, necrosis. It will become dry and black tissue. Secondary infection will be there. It will progress into an ulcer with black color. This is cutaneous mucormycosis. Gastrointestinal mucormycosis, non-specific abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, GI bleed. Urdhva raktapitta-like avastha. After jara, raktapittam is mentioned. After jara, jaradhisaram is mentioned. Understand this. After jara, jaradhisara, chakradatta. After jaradhisara, raktapitta. End of the chapter is vadarakta, vichurnida, bhavishyata kushtasamam, mamsakodam. See the line. One word, they told long back, applicable to everything. The way of unfolding of diseases. But that is not going to cure the disease. But you should know, Shastram is important, practice is important, teaching is important, producing success is important. Mucormycosis வந்தது, கந்தக வடி கொடுத்தேன், கேட்டெடுத்து. நம்ம எப்படி இது கேட்டிருக்கலாம்? நல்லது, மகிழ்ச்சி. Disseminated mucormycosis. The infection spreads from actual site and spreads to other part of the body to the brain. radiological study, tissue biopsy, MRI brain, MRI orbit, MRI paranasal sinus, CT chest. This is what you should write. I pray to God that this should not become prevalent and we should not be forced to do all these things. In Andhra, Ayurvedic doctors are allowed. Dr. Samraj has put a notice, a letter, some group I saw that along with modern drugs, Ayurveda can be supplemented. Uncontrolled diabetes, widespread usage of corticosteroids. Corticosteroids is the promising treatment in COVID-19. It leads to hyperglycemia that favors secondary infection like mucormycosis. Rhinoorbital mucormycosis is the most frequent presentation. Mortality is 49%. Significant proportion of surviving patients suffered life-changing morbidities, loss of vision. Loss of vision. Most commonly, the treatment used for mucormycosis in patients with modern medicine, antifungal therapies, commonly lipid formulations of amphotericin B, surgical removal of affected part. Very, very painful, no? Very painful to see. So coming to the Ayurvedic perspective of theory, you need a samprapti. You need to watch which dosha is there. Prameham, Pramega Ubadravam, Kleda Virdi. Kledam is the pool of infection. Ojakshayam. Sthanam is Kafasthanam. Uram, Kafasthanam. Granam, Kafasthanam. Kantam, Kafasthanam. Stiram, Kafasthanam. Krimi, Kafasthanam. Amavastha, Joram, Nasarodam. Pasyamana Joram, Mukashofam, Pradishayam, Raktabittam, Shulam. Pakvavastha, Mukashofam, Rakta Vidaktam, Dadu Bhagam. Already I told you Dadu Vriddhi, Dadu Kshayam, Dadu Dushti, Dadu Bhagam, Dadu Saidilyam, Dadu Asamagatvam, Dadu Asthiratvam. I taught you all these things in my previous class. The four things are very important, my dear doctors. One is Kleda Vriddhi. Kledam, already I explained. I don't think I have to explain what is Kledam. Pramegam, Kledam is there. Pitta Prakopa Lakshanam, Kledam is there. Ahara Parinamakara Bhavas, Kledam is there. Kledam is there in Mutrasya Kleda Vaganam. Ojakshayam, immunocompromised person. Dadu Daurbalyam, Dadu Saidilyam, disintegrated Dadus. Dadunam te Saidilyat. Pitta Vidagdada, Sikrapagi, Ashugari Avastha is there. So, Kapha Pradurbhava, Kapha Vilayana Avastha, then Pitta Vidakta Avastha, then last Vada Vidakta Avastha comes. Even our life goes like this. Kapham, Kapha Pittam, Pittavadam, Vadam, death. Asti, Jayade, Pardade, Vivaranamade, Upachiyade, Nashyati. So, Kapham, Pittam, Vadam is the protocol. Maduram has got no role. Amlam has got no role. Lavanam has got no role. Katu, Balladagam, Chitrakam, Baguji has got role. Katu is Ushnam. Shidena Yuktaha, Snigdadyaha, Kurvandi, Sleshmena, Sanchayam, Ushnena, Kobam. If allergy comes with Balladagam, we cannot take a risk because our clinical experience is in an infantile neonatal stage. So Kashaya Tikta Rasam is the only choice. Rakta Prasadanam, Krimigna Ushadas, then Ojo Vriddhi, Kaphagaram, Pittagaram, then Vadagaram. In the very, very later part of the stage, Snigdha can be given. Snigdha should not be given in the early stage. Abhishanti Agaras, Amavartana Agaras, Dadi Kshiram, Pramega Nidanas, Navannabanam, Gudavaigradam Je, all must be stopped. So coming to the Kashayam, which are Kleda Soshanam. krimignam, pitta samanam, kashaya tikta rasam, tvak visesham, pramega visesham, Aragvadadi, Amrudadi, Guduchyadi, Nimbadi, Sonidamradam, Kataka Kadiradi, Toyam for Pramegam, Sudarsana Churnam, Kaishora Gugulu, Shiva Kuliga, Krimigna Ganavadi, Vishavilvadi, I will talk, that is going to be the choice of drug. Manivadra Gudam, Balam Tassigi, Vidbalam, so Virejanam cannot be given, it can be given in 3 grams. Arogya Vardini Vadi, my beloved Sishya from Jamnagar, is giving Mrigangarasam. Vishavilvadi Guliga in Kriya Kaumadi. Vilvadi Guliga is found to be antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral property. So you take Vilvadi as one part. 50% you add Garuda Kodi, Ishwaramuli. Ishwari you add, Sarpa Sugandha. Then you make Vishavilvadi Gudiga. This is going to be the choice of drug in mucormycosis. In one case in Chennai and Bangalore, we have given, there is no cure, but major surgery was prevented. So it is Vishagara, Swafagara, Raktaprasadana, Sulagara, Hridya, Varnarobana. Darvigara Vishachikitsa, it is mentioned. Kashayam 60 ml 2 times a day, tablet 222. Nasyam, when there is Urdhva Raktabitta Avastha, Ruksha Vasa Swarasam, Dronapushpi Swarasam is there. Dhumam, very carefully you should give. Dhumam should not aggravate respiratory distress. So in any diabetic person, from the day one you teach them fasting should be less than 100, 1 hour should be less than 160, 2 hours should be less than 140, before sleep it should be less than 130. When they ask them to buy a glucometer, if they have money, 1,500 rupees you get in wholesale. Meticulously control diabetes and do Kleda Soshana. Meticulously. Don't stop allopathic medicine. Don't stop insulin. Supplemented. Waitful watch. Kavalam, very important. Saptachadadi, Akkarakudinir, Triphala, very important. Then in the later stage, when they come home, Madhusnigi, Swarnamalini, Vasantam, and complete recovery stage, Mahadiktakam. So Vishavilvadi only we have done in our 2 cases. Now, in Trivandrum, PG students, some of my PG students from Magadandram and Kayagisa department, they have selected a Yavagu called Koshadagi Yavagu in Vishap Pradishedam Adhyayam, Tiktarasam, Rakta Prasadanam, Kleda Soshanam, Kafagaram, Pittagaram, Pramehagnam, Yavagu. We have to promote this. Pirki, Vattathiripi, references 35 for 21, 35th chapter, 21st sloga, you read it today itself. Pirki, Pada, Amrda, Shilu, Jyotishmadi, Dargharidra, Punarnava, Kadangatri, Shariba, Chitraga, Arkapushpa, Haridagi. Arkapushpam is given by that Mahavaidya also. Vagai, Shichiram, Shirisham, Vishagaram. Then this Yavagu is made out of this and given as a food material. So avoid Ulundu, Yellu, Palbadu Porutkal, Jagari, Pulippu, Navannam, Masha, Tila, Guda, Dadi, Amla Agaras, Navanna, non-vegetarian, and Dhumabanam. Selectively, carefully do the Dhumabanam with Avaraji the Dhumam. So my dear students, with limited experience, and we have seen a small light of hope. In the 2 cases, we could prevent surgery, we could not cure. Treatment is going on. Vishavilvadi, Koshadagi, Agadam helped us. So I thank my students for making this happen, for following my ideas. I thank our pharmacy people for making these medicines. You can make your own medicines. And hopefully this should not become prevalent. If it prevalent and if you get an opportunity, you teach. Next week, when I meet you during the COVID main presentation, I will come up with more document. Now, for young generation, not for experienced Kavirajas and Mahatmas, young people who started their career, if they ask me, sir, what is this? How should we approach? Give me a line, give me the route, then I will take the car and drive. So we have given only a very, very primitive idea, but a logical idea. Because Kafam, Pittam, Snegam, Kledam, Kledasoshanam, Krimignam, Vyadikshamam, Vyadikshamattam, Vojo Vardhanam in the later phase should be the protocol in this. And even in Raktavittam, Tiktarasam has to be given, Vasa Guduchyadi has to be given. And honey has to be given. Honey is Kafapitta Samanam. And Dhumam, it should be preventive Dhumam. If they come out, COVID patient come out, if they are diabetic, you can very well start this. You can very well start this as a supplement. So I hope new generation, young generation, experienced Vaidyas, I request you to add more points from the base we have created. And I request you to develop more. So COVID, we have treated more than 250 cases. I will come with documentation. This fungus, if you have doubt, you talk to Dr. Aishwarya. You can contact her through email. We will put it in the website, this slide presentation. Anybody can read it. And next few days, I will come with more ideas on COVID, regular COVID. Thank you very much. It is a privilege that my beloved student Muthu Nagai is hosting. I molded her clinical career, and she has come up independently successful in her life, now doing PG Panchakarma from a reputed institute. It's an honor, Muthu Nagai, to be with you. I bless you in this occasion. Now it is open for question answer discussion. Before that, if you want to say anything, please say.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for this mind-blowing lecture. Thank you so much for enlightening us on this new alarming epidemic. We'll go to the questions. Any questions? Dr. Sam, any questions here? There is a question from Dr. Rekha Naidu. What is your opinion in giving allopathy medicines and Ayurveda medicines together, like diabetic medications, hypertension, drugs, and COVID medicines?
Until we have proved and overcome the mortality, it is not correct to stop allopathic medicine when the patient is on steroids, especially insulin, where they have got a method to assess the blood sugar level. Hypertension, we do not have a definite concept of Vata Pitta Kapha in that we give Sarpagandha, which is not logical. So if the patient mild to moderate asymptomatic with minimal lung involvement with borderline diabetes, HbA1c less than 7.8, our medicines are enough. But if it is more and if they are already on allopathic medicine, don't stop it abruptly until we have a solid evidence which will come after 2-3 months of our studies. It is not correct also, no? It may have side effects, but it is diabetic medicines or metformin is being given since a long period.
Any other question, Dr. Sam?
1 minute.
Yes,
I
sir.
have been honored well by this I ask Ayush, Dr. Ilanjeliyan, Dr. Muthu, Dr. Hema, Dr. Renjima, Dr. Arun, Ilan, Kalayarasu, Ramesh, Vijay Karthi, Brinda, Harshvardhan, who wrote me today, Dr. Samraj sir, Clarence Davis sir, Narayanan sir, Reshmi, Sai Vijaypriya, I know her very well. Hari Om Shri, students from Ayurveda College, Coimbatore, Nagargovil, SJS. Many of them I do not know personally, but I am touched by your love and affection. In fact, I would like to see you, talk with you all. Hope that will happen one day. And I thank you all for your wonderful support, because last time the investigation class, Saju told 7,500 people have seen in total. So the credit goes to I ask Ayush, and I thank Mr. Saju for this wonderful support. I'll tell you a small thing. Big institute like Jamnagar, big institute like very another big institute, they do a good work, but we do a lot of documentation because we have Saju with us. I thank him personally for whatever he has done. I don't know anything about this computer. Everything is done by him. Only clinical thing I concentrate. Non-clinical academic things he concentrate. And God has given me a big family of students. The whole room is full of students sitting here and watching. They didn't go home due to COVID. They want to stay here and study. So I appreciate their effort, and I ask Ayush. We will meet this week for elaborate discussion. Mahadevan101@gmail.com. You can write your questions. All the questions will be answered. I promise you, all the questions will be answered. If I do not know, I will say I do not know. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thanks.